And now I give you the snoring blanket. Let's see where it's coming from, shall we? Let's see. Look who's underneath the blanket. This is our friend Abby. Oh.